Honestly, I didn't expect a budget fan to come close to Dyson, but here we are. I've been testing the Shark TurboBlade next to the Dyson AM07, and the differences are interesting. Starting with design, the Dyson AM07 still feels more premium. It's sleek, quiet, and that bladeless look is still a flex on any desk. But the Shark TurboBlade, it's more compact and surprisingly powerful for the price. In terms of airflow, Dyson wins on smooth, consistent air circulation. It feels more refined, especially on higher settings. The Shark pushes strong air, but it can feel a bit more direct and less even across the room. Noise levels. Dyson is noticeably quieter. You can sleep with it on low without thinking about it. The Shark isn't loud, but you definitely hear it working. Now the big question, value. This is where Shark makes its case. You're getting maybe 70 to 80% of the Dyson experience for a fraction of the cost. So is the Dyson AM07 still worth it? If you want premium, quiet performance, yes. But if you just want solid cooling without breaking the bank, the Shark TurboBlade is honestly the smarter buy. Let me know which one you'd pick.